Dr. Kalua, you're making a very convincing argument as to why this should happen. So an ordinary Kenyan watching you this morning, like myself, I'm 33 years old. If I want to plant the 33 trees, where do I start?
Great. We have many opportunities. And first of all, we will have to say, where do you start? It is from the land that you have. Everyone comes from somewhere. Most of the people come from somewhere. We have so much idle land that we can not only just plant, but also do activities that can make you green money. So it starts from where you are. We have a lot of people living in the urban areas, but we have many more people living in the rural areas. There is land that is available. There is what you can be able to do. Besides, and you see, the Plant Your Age campaign is a very personalized call. It's not about the land that is the government. It's not about forests. It's about ourselves, myself. What be able to do? What am I going to be able to do this thing? So you can start, Trevor, from your own land, your parents' land. If there was a replenishment of relationships, we will never have the problem that we are having on land matters with our people, because people will love and understand to live harmoniously with each other because of the spirit that comes with a tree, the spirit of replenishment of the tree itself and the world. And this is the harmony that is required. And just to mention what I had not mentioned any earlier, Plant Your Age does not compete with the World Environment Day, the International Day of Forest. Instead, it adds value to this, and it is a call. You can be able to plant, and not only planting, but growing. And did you know that, Trevor, that if only you fence, just like my recommendation about Kenya's forests, the solution is very simple, and I put it in my last document when I was leaving Kenya Water Towers as the chairperson. If only we fence all our forests, we have grown trees, we have protected, we have created water. And you know, trees equals to water. You must understand, why am I doing these trees? We need water. We need to do these activities. We need to understand there is money that be made. So Plant Your Age, this message very strongly, that you can actually make money out of activities that you're doing in different places. So this is definitely important. You can never lose where to plant trees equivalent to your age. That is why it's not about many numbers.
Yeah.
If you're 35 years of age, Trevor, you're 33, thank you. You have every opportunity to do what you have never done. Every tree that you plant, ensure that it grows. And between the first tree and the next tree, you must evaluate your value in replenishment. Have you replenished your health? Have you replenished your relationships? Are you doing activities just like the Americans that I've mentioned that will change people's lives? Therefore, this is what is reminded to you every 14th of September. But it's not just a Plant Your Age Day, but a process in life that we must remember again and again, that time is not with us.
Yeah.
It is actually us who are going, and time remains. And therefore, we must be able to take